Hello students, this is the 8th part of integration. Today also going to explain problems based on integration by parts concept. So 7th problem I already explained, but I want to explain another way. Integral of x into sin inverse of x dx. Important thing students here, sin inverse of x is involved, means what values of x sin inverse x defined, that such values only one find integration of this function. So obviously x belongs to closed minus 1 to 1 and some values of x where sin function is inversible. Okay, one of the set of such values is taken as x is from minus 1 to 1, then output is taken from minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Okay, to solve this problem, let theta is taken as sin inverse of x. What is the presumption here? X belongs to minus 1 to 1 and theta belongs to minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Under this condition, what I can write? Sin theta equal to x I can write. Sin theta equal to x. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x another side. So what I can say, cos theta into d theta in integration language, dx I can write. So this is a I. Now I becomes integral of x means what I can write? Sin theta I can write. Sin inverse of x means theta I can write. Into dx means what I can write? Cos theta into d theta. Okay. So sin theta cos theta. If 2 sin theta cos theta is there, that is sin 2 theta only. That's why I want to multiply 2 on either side. 2i is equal to integral of 2 sin theta cos theta into theta d theta. That is 2i is equal to integral of theta into sin 2 theta. Now I want to use integration by parts concept here, but selection of functions is important. So I will use this is first function, this is a second function, d theta given by parts concept, integration by part concept, by part concept. What I can say here, so 2i is equal to first function into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function, that is theta derivative 1 only, into integration of sin 2 theta d theta and totally another d theta. So what I can say here, 2i is equal to theta into minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here also minus will get plus integral of cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Okay students, what is this Nana? 2i is equal to minus theta into cos 2 theta by 2, okay, plus 1 by 4 into sin 2 theta plus c. I hope you understood what happened here. Okay, now but answer should be in terms of x, that's why. So where is that? Yeah, see here, sin theta means x, cos 2 theta in terms of sin we have the formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Sin 2 theta and sub sin not there, no, 2 sin theta cos theta, after that cos theta values I can find from this. So I will write in next page, 2i is equal to minus 1 by 2 into, students listen, theta means what I can write? Sin inverse of x here, sin inverse of x, into cos theta means what I can write? Nana, 1 minus 2 sin square x, first step. After that I think correct only, no, here minus plus, okay, plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 2 sin theta cos theta plus c. Now I want to substitute the values. 2i is equal to minus 1 by 2 into sin square x into 1 minus 2, I think all, 1 minute, sin inverse, yeah, what I write? What should I write? So instead of sin inverse of x, okay, sin inverse of x only, 2 sin square theta, this one, not x, this is theta. Okay, sin theta means, what is the sin theta value? What I took sin theta value here? X only, no? What I can write? 2x square. Plus 1 by 2 into, sin theta means x only, cos theta root over 1 minus x square, plus c. Okay, now I want finalize answer. Yeah, I is equal to 1 by 4 into sin inverse of x into 2x square minus 1 plus x by 4 into root over 1 minus x square plus c. This is the answer for the problem. Okay. Okay, students. Our next problem, 8th problem. Let it be I, nana. X into tan inverse of x dx. Here I want to use directly integration by parts. By integration by parts. Students, identification of first function, second function important. If you take this is second function, this is first function, problem becomes difficult for us, because first function integration of tan inverse of x minus, derivation of first function is 1 into tan inverse of x dx, again dx. So that's why this problem becomes difficult. That's why I don't want to take tan inverse of x as second function. I want to take that as first function. Okay, students, listen. So what I am doing here, this is taken as first function, this is taken as second function. Now directly I want to write I is equal to, first function, that is tan inverse of x integration of x dx minus integration of derivative of the first function into integration of second function dx. So this is the first step. I is equal to tan inverse of x into x square by 2 minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into x square by 2 dx. So this already we did, x square by 1 plus x square direct, but I will explain here again. I equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 into integral of x square by 1 plus x square dx. Students, let it be first result, because already we did this one, but again I want to explain how to find out. Okay. Here integral of x square by 1 plus x square, several ways are there to find integral of this function. One of the ways is substitution. Let x equal to tan theta and proceed. Directly what I can write here, this is x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. Just add it, subtract the numerator. So direct step, what direct step? Integral of 1 dx minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So what is this? This is x minus tan inverse of x. Okay. So now I want to write as it is the first one. First one what saying that I is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse of x. Okay. Minus half of this. What? X minus tan inverse of x plus c. Now I want to simplify this. I is equal to x square by 2 into tan inverse of x minus x by 2 plus half into tan inverse of x. Plus sometimes you can simplify this. So what I can write? X square plus 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x minus x by 2 plus c. This is the integration of given function. Ninth problem, the integral of x into cos inverse of x dx. So this problem you can use let cos inverse of x equal theta and so on, or directly this is taken as first function, this is taken as second function. If you take this as the first function, the second function, somewhere you will get 1 by root over 1 minus x square into x square by 2. You can find out its integration. That's not a big problem. Easiest way, if sin inverse x and cos inverse x are involved, easiest method is let it be theta and proceed, Nana. Okay. Yeah, let cos inverse of x is taken as theta, where x belongs to closed minus 1 to 1, theta belongs to closed 0 to pi. For that x or this theta, that is inversible function. That's what I can write, x equal to cos theta, or dx equal to minus sin theta into d theta. Okay. Now I becomes, x means what I can write, cos theta I can write, into cos inverse of means theta I can write, dx means minus sin theta into d theta. With the same argument, 2i should multiply, minus I will write here, minus 2i, that is equal integral of theta into sin 2 theta. Okay, already we did now, again I want to explain. Minus 2i equal to integral theta into sin theta. So from previous problem, we can copy just like what is the integral of theta into sin theta. But again I want to explain. Okay, here which one is taken as first one? I want to take this as first one, this is second one. So I think okay, this is first one. Okay, then it will vanish. So theta into integral of sin 2 theta minus integral of, derivative of theta is 1, integral of sin theta is minus cos 2 theta by 2 into dt, into none of this one. Okay, so what is this? Minus theta into cos 2 theta by 2, actually minus this, minus you get plus, into integral of 1 by 2 into integral of cos 2 theta d theta. Okay, students. So this is minus theta by 2 into cos 2 theta plus 1 by 2 into sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. Now substitutions here. Theta means what is taken as theta here? Cos inverse of x. Okay, cos inverse of x by 2 into cos 2 theta in terms of cos 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2 sin theta into cos theta plus c. So this is same as minus cos inverse of x by 2 into 2x square minus 1. I think, okay, correct only. 1 by 2 into sin theta means root over 1 minus x square, cos theta means x plus c. So this is the minus 2i. Okay, now I want to write final answer. Therefore, integral of x into cos inverse of x dx is equal to cos inverse of x into 2x square minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x into root over 1 minus x square plus that is not big problem, just to correct c, na? Actually that is minus c by 2, another constant, let it be c only. We can write as some k where k is constant. So this is the answer for the problem. Our next problem, 10th problem, interesting problem, students. So I is equal to integral of sin inverse of x whole square d theta. Just now explained, if sin inverse and cos inverse x are involved, directly take sin inverse of x equal to theta and proceed. If tan x and cot inverse of x are involved, directly approach using integration by parts. Okay, let sin inverse of x equal to theta for some theta and x, for that values of x, sin function is inversible. one of the value of x is this, one of the value of theta is this. Okay, so what I can say here, x equals sin theta or dx equal to cos theta d theta. Now your I becomes integral of theta square into cos theta d theta. Now you want to use uv, which one is taken as u, which one is taken as v, that better. So I want to take this is first function, this is second function. Okay, now I is equal to theta square into integral of cos theta d theta minus integral of derivative of theta square is 2 theta into integral of cos theta d theta. I will write d theta. So next page I will write, so I is equal to what you have now, sin theta, theta square sin theta, theta square into sin theta minus 2 integral of theta into sin theta d theta. Students, again here you want to use integration by parts. That's why I want to take the first equation. So I want to separately theta into sin theta d theta. This is taken as first one, this is taken as second function. Yeah, theta into integration of sin theta minus derivative of tan theta into integration of sin theta d theta. You want to write, you can write by parts or integration by parts, which is same as theta into minus cos theta minus integration of this is 1 into minus cos theta d theta. That is minus theta into cos theta plus integral of cos theta d theta. That is minus theta into cos theta, okay, plus sin theta sin theta. Okay, no need to write plus c, the later I will write, or you can write that, not a big problem. Now first equation becomes I is equal to theta square into sin theta minus 2 into this full minus theta into cos theta plus sin theta plus c also I want, right? So what is I none here? Theta square into sin theta minus plus 2 theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta, actually minus 2c here, actually I don't want to write, just I will write c. Now I want to complete the problem. Theta means sin inverse of x whole square, sin theta means x only, I will show you. Where is that? Here, x means sin theta only. Okay, minus 2 into theta means sin inverse of x cos 2 theta in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus 2x plus c. Now I am completing now. I equal to sin inverse of x whole square into x minus 2 into sin inverse of x into 1 minus 2x square minus 2x plus c, or you can simplify or you can leave it. So this is the integration of that function. Okay, students, our 11th problem, integration of x into cos inverse of x by root over 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, easy problem. Let cos inverse of x is taken as t minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx equal to dt. So I can say this is I now. Now I becomes integral of x means what can I write? Cos theta under condition cos t, sorry, into cos inverse of this t. Instead of dx by this, I can write minus dt. Finally, our I becomes minus I, can say minus I becomes t into cos t dt. Now problem becomes easy for us. So what is that, Nana? Minus I equal to integral t into cos t. By using integration by parts, we can find the solution. By integration by parts, minus I is equal to, first function is this, Nana, second is this. So t into integral of cos t dt minus integral of derivative of t is 1, integral of cos t is sin t directly dt. So that is minus I is equal to t into cos t means sin t minus plus cos t will get here plus c. Now I want to change the problem. Instead of t, what you can write? T is taken as cos inverse of x. I can write cos inverse of x. So what happened here? Cos t means what? Yeah. What I can write here? Implies x equal to cos t. Yeah, cos t means x. But what you want here? Sin t, that is root over 1 minus x square plus x plus c. Therefore, final answer, integral of x into cos inverse of x by root over 1 minus x square equal to minus cos inverse of x into root over 1 minus x square minus x plus c. Actually, you need to write minus c, but c is constant only. You can write plus c. That is not the problem. I equal to integral of x into secant square x. Which is first, which is second is interesting. Integral of secant square x is tan x only, no? That's why I want to take this is second one and this one is taken as first one. Okay. So what I can write? I equal to, yeah, first function x into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function. Okay. So x into this is tan x minus integration of 1 into tan x into dx. So x into tan x minus integration of tan x is logarithm of mod cos x. Let's see, the problem completed. Therefore, integral of x into secant square x equal to x into tan x minus logarithm of mod of, what is this, cos x, cos x plus c. Okay. Yeah. Next, 13th problem. Students, tan is involved. What I explained, directly you can find. I is equal to integral of 1 into tan inverse of x. But what should do, Nana? This is taken as first function, this is taken as second function. That is important. Okay. So now my I equal to first function tan inverse of x as it is into integration of 1 dx minus derivative of first function, I will write as it is, into integration of second function dx. Okay. Tan inverse of x into x minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square. Don't confuse again, don't write plus 2x, that is wrong, no? Only tan of x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square into x dx. This is taken as 1 because again I want to find integration of this separately. Integration of x by 1 plus x square dx. Separately I want to find. To find this, actually this standard form only, if we multiply 2 nana here. So directly this is the f dash of x by f of x form. F of x by f dash of x form directly. Half of log of 1 plus x square I can write. Directly I can write. Okay. Let 1 plus x square is taken as t. 2x dx equal to dt or x dx equal to dt by 2. That's why integral of, instead of x dx or dt by 2 I can write 1 by 2 I will write here, dt I will write here. So 1 by t. So that is 1 by 2 into logarithm of mod t plus c, or 1 by 2 into logarithm of mod of 1 plus x square plus c. Here no need to use model because 1 plus x square always greater than or equal to 1 only. Okay, now first equation becomes, what is that? Where is that? Here, tan of x into x, I equal to tan inverse of x into x minus, I think this, okay, minus 1 by 2 into logarithm of 1 plus x square minus c actually, but I want to adjust to c. Okay, this is the answer for the problem. Friends, our next problem, 14th problem. This is also interesting one. I is equal to integral of x into logarithm of x whole square dx. We can solve this problem by using integration by parts only, but identification is important. Now I want to take this is second function, this is first function, because integration of log x whole square becomes difficult for me. Integration of x, okay. That's why I is equal to first function as it is, I want to write log x whole square into second function integration, that is I will write first of all integration of log x whole square derivative into integration of x dx. Dx I will write. In bracket, every time you need to write by integration by parts. Integration by parts. Okay. Listen students, this is interesting problem. I equal to log x whole square as it is, x square by 2 minus integration 2 into log x into 1 by x into x square by 2 dx. So what is this, Nana? I equal to log x whole square into x square by 2 minus, here 2 get cancelled, 1 x get cancelled. What you will get, Nana? Integral of x into log x dx. Yeah, separately integral x into log x dx, again by using by parts only. This is taken as first function, this is taken as second function, because if you take this is second, log x is taken as second function, so we will get log x and here you will stuck again. Okay, that's why this is first function log x as it is into integration of that is x square by 2, here I want direct steps, now I want to write direct steps, minus that is 1 by x into x square by 2. Okay, that is log x into x square by 2 minus 1 x get cancel, x by 2 integral. Okay, what is that, Nana? Log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 into x square by 2. So x square by 2 is taken common. So what I got? Log x minus 1. So x square by taken common, log x minus here 1 by 2. No? Okay, now first one becomes I equal to log x whole square into x by 2 minus of this minus x square by 2 into logarithm of x minus 1 by 2 plus. This is the answer for the problem. Okay, students, 15th problem. I is equal to integral of x square plus 1 into log x dx. Integration by parts. By integration by parts. So interesting thing is which is first function, which is second one. I don't want to take this is second and log x, integral of log x is very difficult for us. So I want to take this is first function, this is second function, and I want to see. Or you can split the problem into two pieces, x squared log x plus 1 into log x. Okay, now I is equal to directly first function as it is into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function into integration. Okay, so which is same as log x into this is x cube by 3 plus x nana minus integral of 1 by x into x cube by 3 plus x, I can say x, I can say dx. Okay, now this is same as logarithm of x into x cube plus 3x by 3 minus here 1x get cancelled, x square by 3 plus 1 dx. Here only I want, right? Okay students, listen, I equal to log x as it is now, x cube plus x by 3 as it is, minus x cube by 1 3 with this 3 9 minus x plus c. This is the answer for the problem number 15.